Here we are. It's time to start getting ready for doing some magic for Bridget. Bridget wants a 9-inch necklace. I'm guessing that 9 to 9, well, wait a second, actually, this is 9. So I think that's 9 inches on each side, so 4.5 to 4.5 would be 9-inch bracelet. I could also do it here, but the problem is this isn't a full 9 inches. Let's see what we have. Bridget likes pink. I've purchased quite a bit over the years. We're gonna probably go with some nice picturesque stones. Some of these definitely. I can't even remember the name of all these. So some silver might be nice in there. I have some hearts. She likes hearts. Hearts and hugs. Green. I like the fiber optic in the green. So we'll see where we go. This one I was told this is turquoise. Hopefully it's real turquoise. We'll find out. Turquoise nuggets. I was told that there's another stone, I think tourmaline, or I can't even pronounce it. Pearl-like. I think these are freshwater pearls. Oh, a couple of those might be nice. Let's get designing here. And I tell you what, I'm just going to go to the stop action and do our design of what we find. Maybe a little bit of this, and a little bit of this, and some of this, and a couple of metal pieces in there. We should be all set. Okay, here we are. We've got a preliminary design, and we're at about 9 inches. Whoops, 9 inches. Then we're gonna take a look at this a little bit more and figure it out. This is how we do it. We have 0, 2 inches, 4, 6, 8, 9, and then we're gonna have some clasp issues. And what I'm going to be looking for is maybe put in some shiny 2-piece of crystal too, because I know she likes sparkly things too. These guys, although this is more of a necklace thing, you don't really want glass on up against your wrist, but it's not like it's all that dangerous because there's no sharp edges on this. We'll come back in a bit. I just wanted to share where I'm at the moment. Okay, we found some silver beading wire. We're gonna run it through the beads, leave extra wire out so that I can attach toggles, and hopefully that'll work for Bridget to toggle, which might be able to. Not sure if this will give her trouble or not getting it toggled in, because you're going to have to string it through and bring it around. But it was either that or, see, these are times where I wish I could just talk to you and you could tell me, Uncle Bill, go with the toggle or go with the screw thing. She has trouble with arthritis, that this might be a little tough to get one-handed. These are good for a necklace. The toggle, we'll use that for the bracelet. We'll give that a try. If I had a lobster claw, I might try that. Actually, I'll look a little bit more and see if I can find a lobster claw. I think that would even be better than this. All right, so no lobster clasp. I will leave extra wire so that we can adjust that at another time. All right, let's take this and thread it through. Much faster if I could see what I'm doing better. The joy of having older eyes. Let's see, is this the way to do it? Or is this the way to do it? I guess you could do it either way, huh? Nope, this is definitely the way to do it. Those aren't holes. And I got out my trusty bead reamer just in case I have to make any of the holes larger. In the past, I've mostly done earrings. Some necklaces and some bracelets. But when I did bracelets, I did them with wire and a handmade wire clasp. And this is Creation Week, and I forgot to turn my recorder back on. I just recorded the Secrets to the Universe, and I forgot to hit record. Everybody's gonna just have to wait on that. We've taken the design and we're making it live. Bridgette's bracelet. I hope she likes it when we're done. Cut. Make sure to have plenty of extra. Grab one of my cutters. There's a cutter. There we go. About 9 inches. That's what she said. We'll do one side first. I've never done beading wire, so I'm going to put just a half of a knot. I want to use something flat. There we go. There we go, it's on there. We'll bring it all the way down. We'll wrap that around. I think on the other side we won't put a knot, we'll just run it around, because that should be enough. There we go. See how it looks up to there. I guess we could probably get the bead board out of the way now. Make sure we get the right piece to go back in there. This guy goes over here. And here's Bridgette's bracelet. Hopefully 9.5 inches. Trusty handy ruler. You should always have one available. And that is about 9 inches. Right to here. Well, right to there. So this will be, she said she wanted 9.5, and that's exactly what she's going to end up with. And give her a little extra. Oh, I lost a piece. Here we go. Right there. I wanted to be extra cautious to make sure I have plenty. And I definitely do. Let's see how we're get our measure again here. 9.5. And this one we will take like this. Have plenty of wraps. This one's going to be nice tight wrap. Can you see it? Right there. Go like that. That's better. That show better. Hold it just like this, ever so gently, so that I can wrap better. Beading is a fun way to get into jewelry. Silver, I wouldn't recommend starting off with silver, because the problem with doing silver is it isn't as malleable as the stuff that you'll buy at the store. And odds are high that even so, whoever you give it to, they might lose it. And it's not that expensive, but it's not that inexpensive either. And it's harder to work with, and this is really nice soft wire here. Matter of fact, what I'm going to see if I can do is if I can double thread it back through. That'll get it even more security. Come on. Will it fit? Yes, it will. All right, so we're bringing it back through. Do our best not to kink it while we're bringing it through. Now this is really going to hold on tight. Give it one more turn. Extra added security. Oh, come on. This is like trying to thread a needle with bad eyes. There we go. We're in. Now let's see if we can get it going. Or have we met our end? Pull the bracelet. Wire one more time through. Don't kink, don't break the stone. That one's through. I'm getting kinks in the wire, and that's not a good thing. Well, time to show you what this one's for. This is a wire straightener. See how it's all kinked up right now? So we take this and we run it over it, and it helps remove the kinks out of the wire. See? Looks nice to get nice and fresh again. Almost almost making our own little bead on the spot here. Take the loop out. This reminds me of doing electrical cord, kind of. Best thing you want is knots and cord or and wire. Cut, just like in movies. We want to get that all the way down so that it's not something that's going to poke Bridgette. And the bead's going to cover it up too, which would be nice. Put it on your wrist like this. So hopefully Uncle Bill can put it on, because if I can put it on, then Bridgette will be able to put it on, right? Put the toggle through, and it's on. Ta-da! Woo! I went off camera. Sorry about that. I was too busy looking at what I was doing. Uncle Bill modeling jewelry. There's the center bead. Hopefully she'll like it. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Sounds like I'm doing an Amazon review, doesn't it? Make every day great. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Love you all. Bye.